My name is Chris Simonson. I'm a third-generation Rotarian. My grandfather was a Rotarian in Brigham City, Utah. My father was a Rotarian in Brigham City, Utah. And when I came back to Utah from school, I decided I want to be part of this organization called Rotary International. I have a passion for service, so 26 years ago, I decided that we needed to have a car show, and the car show needed to be called Coats for Kids. We went to the city, invited them to be part of it, and the city agreed, and Coats for Kids got started. Coats for Kids is that the children do not know they didn't receive their coats from their parents or their grandmother or their grandfather. That's what makes Coats for Kids so unique. It's a great opportunity to serve children. So over the past 26 years, we have put coats on needy children in the Bountiful area.
As I look back over our many years together with the Coats for Kids car show and those that we've been able to help, and the real blessing of the proceeds that come from what we raise at the summer car show and what happens with that money and how it gets right on the backs of the children. And that's the reason that we love to be a part of it, because of what it really does and represent. It really is a heroic effort on so many fronts, with the mayors of Bountiful, to the fire department, to the police department, to all these wonderful Rotarians, and so many volunteers that make this happen. So we're just happy at Burt Brothers Tire and Service to be a part of this, and it rang true with us as it got started. Be able to sponsor a burnout. What better thing to happen to a tire company than to sponsor a burnout? And it's just been a lot of fun to see it all unfold, and mainly to see what happens and the joy that happens when kids are warmed with coats, mittens, and boots. So thanks for inviting us. We love our participation, and we're grateful to be a sponsor of this great event.